Hello guys, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to download WinRAR. So WinRAR is for extracting something, so it will be needed in the future if you haven't already got it. So go type WinRAR and go to first link. And so here so first thing that you need to know is your PC 64 or 32-bit. Okay, so go right click this PC properties and see here system type 64-bit. So yeah, it's 64-bit. So you go to this site and click download WinRAR. If you have for 32, click here, okay, and download WinRAR and click here. Okay, you don't need this, and just save it and open it. Do you want to allow this app to make changes? Yes. Install and just click OK. Thank you for using WinRAR. Thank you. Done. And yeah, here it is. Okay, so yeah, that is about it. And here you can go right click and you can open it with this, and yeah, you can add to archive, add to office 2021.rar, so it makes RAR file. And yeah, that is it guys. Thanks for watching and bye.